Hey guys, so guess what? Publix, the grocery store chain, this is in the Eastern Seaboard, so depending on where you're at, they just announced a 5-to-1 stock split. So you might be asking yourself, what's a stock split and why does this even matter? Well, in Publix case, 5-to-1 means for every one share on April 14th, you will now have 5. But the point of the stock split means once whatever the stock is trading at right now, you will be able to buy that for about one fifth of that cost come April 14th. It's a good opportunity for new investors to be able to get into prime companies and hold more value to the share. And for those who are holding, you can expand your offerings. So in the case of, because this isn't the first stock split that happened this year, Google, Netflix, Tesla, a lot of people announcing stock splits. These are companies that the price of their share has risen so high that it can make it difficult for you to actually buy in. But this is your opportunity. Now, in Publix case, because they're member owned and privately held, only people who work there and are on their board can hold their stock share. But like I said, Google, Netflix, Tesla, remember those good names. Understanding how their business model works and understanding that for the long haul, that could be a good option for you. Now it's available to you at a lower cost. And that's the value you can have right now with your cash.